There was a plot from Enugu State. They came and played politics in my village. They stopped that man from buying that land. They went at the back, sharing money to people. They went, in fact, there's a place they went and bought over 70-something plot of land. At the middle of that place where we were negotiating to sell for Ebuka Obi. Did you hear me say any of these things? I kept quiet. If he had bought that land without them coming from their own adoration ground to come and play politics in Ngopala, Ebuka Obi would have succeeded in buying that land. And you, watching me, would have come there to buy. But you're fighting him. And I saw this politics with my own eyes. I'm telling you, my own local government. I'm telling you before God and man that I heard where a blogger is saying the thing is here. They've played it before the commissioner of police. I mean the IG, the inspector general of police. Somebody on the internet opened his mouth and said that if I need a frame up on social media, this guy with 120,000 followers on Facebook. He was telling this thing to a fellow blogger on voice note. And when that one warned him, he didn't hear. That one warned him, he didn't hear. That guy needs to share that thing and send it to people like me. I won't play it now because I'm going to dig younger. Nyaga boto obrenwa ko obrenwa put na camera ko na Ebuka Obi repuri ya. A little child makwe he oja na eku na ochoro ime, and he did close to that. The voice note are here, but if I play it now or maybe push here further now, I won't share ya. Nambu a very wicked human being, but see his plans against somebody. You see his evil plans against his fellow human being. That thing, I pinched myself. And even the blogger, the bigger blogger, I warned him to be careful of this guy, because this guy can still do to you. Now listen to me, okay? The other time, some people said that they paid me money to defend Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and they said all manner of things, and I kept quiet over it all. So, and my response to them was, thank you, Eze Kinsley, you're welcome, my man. My response to them was that I'm not backing down anytime soon, because clear conscience fears no accusation. You know, when they gang up, the first thing they do is, anytime I come to defend anybody or anytime I come to speak on behalf of anybody, and I will be saying, show me evidence against this person. And if I have my opportunity to ask some of these big people, I will ask them. The reason why they were blackmailing me, they were saying all sort of nonsense, is because this one happens to be Ebuka Obi, and I vowed to defend him for myself. My reason of doing this thing is, number one, for me to start fighting Ebuka Obi, because many of them says that they were not going to follow me anymore because I did not fight Ebuka Obi. And I said to you, did you pay me for those people you think I've been defending or I've been speaking? And I'm not defending Ebuka Obi. I'm only defending, I started defending one thing. When somebody tried to fight him, the person had to plan something to ensure that he did not buy land from my local government. Do you know how bushy my village is? And all those fights went on. But many of you who stays abroad would have bought land around my local government because of Ebuka Obi. If he had actually bought that land in Ngopala, you would have come there to buy. Do you know how many of you that called me on the phone and said that they want to buy land around Ngopala within the territories of Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Did I defraud you? Did I give room for you to buy land? Now, estates are in Ngopala selling land to people, telling them that Ebuka Obi is coming. Ebuka Obi is not coming there yet. There was a plot from Enugu State. They came and played politics in my village. They stopped that man from buying that land. They went at the back, sharing money to people. They went, in fact, there's a place they went and bought over 70-something plot of land. At the middle of that place where we were negotiating to sell for Ebuka Obi. Did you hear me say any of these things? I kept quiet. If he had bought that land without them coming from their own adoration ground to come and play politics in Ngopala, Ebuka Obi would have succeeded in buying that land. And you, watching me, would have come there to buy. But you're fighting him. And I saw this politics with my own eyes. I'm telling you, my own local government. Go and ask of the man they call Uche Trade Fair. We call him Okenze Buruburu. I think Buruburu Nangopala. In Trade Fair, this man brought caterpillar and created access road to the land, to the major place, And we have that land even till today. We are not doing anything with it. But somebody came from somewhere to come and play politics through some Catholic members and some of their strong heads in my local government. Thank God. They should thank their God because I heard that thing very, very late. If I had had it, if actually I got that information early, I would have stormed their houses on camera. What's easy from my local government, they won't hear me. Because I'm sure that our people would have gone mad if they know that is bewitching. I saw that politics because my mistake was I didn't say it online early. I didn't say it early. If at all I had picked this information very early and start tackling it, because I was thinking it's none of my business. But I saw that thing would have developed my place. So they came and used their politics to sweep away such development coming to my own local government. How many of you, many people from London, UK, Japan, Germany, they called me on the phone and said they want to buy land from my local government? Did I deceive you? Did I deceive you? Did I? If at all I wanted to deceive you, there are many estates today. Somebody, those people who called me on camera, who called me on the phone and asked me questions about those lands. If you're watching me, anytime you watch this video, confirm. Please comment something here in confirmation of what I've said. A lot of people called me and said that some estates are telling them to come and buy land. Even there are some estates that called me in Ngobala. Some people who are into real estate, they invited me and said, now let's use this opportunity to be selling. Just use your platform and tell people that Ebuka Obi has finally bought this land. Therefore, we'll be selling and we'll be giving you 15%. This was what they told me. I did not accept. So if there were possibilities of me defrauding the general public, it was an opportunity to lure you. Because at least 100 of you would have been victim. Did I allow such thing? Do you know what it means when they give you 15% of anything they sell? I consider 15% and I say to myself, no. Nobody with genuine intentions will agree, just see you for the very first time and say they will give you 15%. If you follow a chain, Ngobala and Umundoche Road, as if you're going to Ndasheche, you see where estates, they put their signposts there that they are selling lands. You understand? They are selling lands for people, telling them that Ebuka Obi is coming. Ebuka Obi is not coming to Ngobala yet. Those things are still under negotiation for now. The other place they were supposed to buy at Akobike can about that place. Obike. That one did not work. They crossed over to the other side, close to my own side. It didn't work. Due to politics, people were playing. Now they are crossing over to another side where we are also pushing to ensure that he gets the size or the capacity of the land he needs in another express way. Currently, people are going at the back now negotiating to buy land that place. Why the traditional rulers then say stop for now. Let us see if this man will come here and build what he wants to build. Just say for him. So why didn't I connive with people just because I want to make money to sell those lands for you, tagging it at Ebuka Obi? Even before Ebuka Obi will be aware, I must have made like 100 million naira from you. Did I do that? See, if I am convinced to fight for you, or got no amount of pressure. You know the highest thing where they happen? Some people will come and tell me they will not be following me, that I have compromised. Did I will defend you? Now that they are compromised begin. Did I defend people? Did I those time did a full-blown native doctor? There's another one in Okija. I recovered 500,000 naira from very recently. I don't want to call his name because of what I beg the money. Somebody complained to me. Won't know my name immediately. He paid that. I recorded it. Is here. One day I'll play it if he fails to pay the balance. So all those ones I recover, all those things I do. You did not tell me that native doctor paid me bribe or this and that happened. You did not even comment to tell me thank you. But it is only when I choose to defend anybody because you've not been victim. The day you will become victim and you come to me, how I will know you on the Facebook, you'll be surprised. And that I will reward you with evil. I will reward you with those things you support. I will reward you. 100%. So you just saw what an anonymous wrote now. Whether they are real, I don't know. Whether they are fake, I don't know. I don't even believe so much on them. But I just saw that and people sent it to me. Somebody even mentioned media and I laughed. I had to inbox the person and say, am I a Zion member? You people will tag me here. Then if I talk, people will twist it in another way. So others on our plans against the young guy. Mokona continue. Mokona continue. Ebuka Obi went to Abuja. Ebuka Obi went to Abuja. Those people who were ranting inside one room. I don't need to tell you did not come out to stop him. You did not go and move the force headquarters and tell them that this person is not supposed to visit Abuja, that he's fake. It was an opportunity for you to arrest Ebuka Obi in Abuja. You did not do that. But in the evening time, you turn on camera and we are ranting. I'm not told that later some of them are church. I look at them and laugh. Bring me evidence against Ebuka Obi. Bring me evidence. Inbox me the evidence. Let us go and verify if one is true. But wherever you don't have any evidence against this guy, any happy aka, what's that enviness? When did I start talking about him? Somebody got happily in here. Somebody got happily in here. The governor and for collar up for me appearing on camera with Ogechi in Jaka. So what was the content of my as in? Did you pick words, the things I said on Ogechi in Jaka's platform? You can't see me ginger Ogechi to go and do something Naderoma. I was still on the side of telling Ogechi, please calm down. I was even on camera pleading with Ogechi, never you. I'm going to post a picture anybody on camera. Anybody's new picture, please go and apologize to that person and let this matter not go further. After that day I said it, I walked away. Somebody will come and tell me, why am I appearing on JPAC's platform? Do you know when I know JPAC? Before you know me, I knew JPAC. I don't know what is wrong with our people. They want to regulate me. You want to regulate me? Did I start with you? You allow me to do my own things. If what I'm doing you don't like it, go and create a platform. I will even support you. I will promote your page. If you tag me, I will come and comment for you there. Except if you are coming on a way to bully me or abuse me, I'll just look at you and laugh. I'll walk away. But if you're doing the right thing on your page, invite me. People, they invite me live on live program. Different people. I choose the ones I want. I go there. I know my own side I want to. I choose my fight in fact. So create a platform. Invite me. I will come. And if you create a platform, those people who created platforms, whom chooses to use, I'm telling you before God and man that I heard where a blogger is saying the thing is here. They've played it before the commissioner of police. I mean the IG, the inspector general of police. Somebody on the internet opened this mouth and said that if I need a frame up on social media, this guy with 120,000 followers on Facebook. He was telling this thing to a fellow blogger on voice note. And when that one warned him, he didn't hear. That one warned him, he didn't hear. That guy needs to share that thing and send it to people like me. I won't play it now because Obama is digging anger. Nyaga boto obrenwa put on a camera. Ko na Ebuka Obi repuria. A little child, and he did close to that. The voice note are here. But if I play it now, or maybe push here further now, I won't share a very wicked human being. But see his plans against somebody. You see his evil plans against his fellow human being. That thing, I pinched myself. And even the blogger, the bigger blogger, I warned him to be careful of this guy. Because this guy can still do to you.